boys, what are you doing here?
I'm building Lego.
You're building Lego. Let me see what are you gonna build. Can you show me what are you gonna build?
Yes. I see a build.
Okay, let's see. Oh, that is, what is it gonna be, Marky?
Floor. We're gonna put the build the floor.
Looks nice.
Oh, build the floor.
Oh, that's a floor. Okay.
We got fox.
You got fox. What else you got, honey?
A fish. A car.
Marky, are you building? Show me, Marky, what are you gonna do, sweetie? Build a little house too with Willie. Marky, come over here.
Look.
Come over here, Marky. Oh, Willie got the car. Marky got other cars. Oh my gosh, what do you got, Mark? Show me. Oh, Willie building a Lego. So nice. I love it. That is so much fun. Okay. Bless you, honey. Bless you.
Let's see.
What are you gonna say? So what is that gonna be?
Let's see the Lego.
Okay. Looks nice.
Net.
What is that?
Net.
That's nest. Okay. So, tell me, what are you doing?
I'm building Lego.
Building Lego.
Okay.
Oh, I see you have some animals in here. Can you show me the animals? What do you got?
Hey, gobble gobble.
Gobble gobble. What else?
Lego.
Lego. But what type of animals you have? I see something black over there. What is that?
Fish and fox.
Fish and fox. What else?
Bear.
Oh, that's a black bear. Oh, wow.
Let's see. A mountain. Building a mountain. Building a mountain. Building a mountain. We can see. We can see. It's home.
That's home. Okay.
Lego home.
That's a Lego home.
And the home.
We are in a house. That's our home. Yep.
House.
Okay. Marky, you want to join us or no?
No.
No, Marky's right there. He's just playing. What are you doing, Marky? You're playing with the trucks. Okay. Oh, Willie, looks good. Looks good. Your building looks very nice. Awesome.
Ruby.
Oh, Ruby.
Tootie and Fufa.
Tootie and Fufa.
Goes like that.
Very good.
And guitar.
Oh, yeah.
Let's build. Wow.
Wow, it's so cool.
And guitar. And remote. It's loud. And this one.
Oh.
And bear. And fish.
Oh, that's your fish.
That's the toys. It's the boat.
It's a
picture.
Picture, very nice. Good job, Willie. I love it.
Look.
Oh, wow. Let me see. Looks great. Looks really good. There's
This is the piece of boat.
Oh, you want to put them in a boat now. Okay.
And the car.
And one of them going to go in a car. Oh, wow. You can take a car apart.
Look.
Awesome. I love
It's a
it.
cow.
You can even lift it. Lift it up. Lift it up. Show me.
Lift it up.
Oh, wow. Good job.
And the floor.
And you can put it on the floor. All right,
And floor.
good job. Okay. Bye, Willie. Can you wave bye-bye to the camera?
Camera.
Okay, Poppy. Bye-bye.